hot. Morning. Today I'm going to do a fun little tutorial. I'm gonna do like a Sun City sunrise look. I did try the other look that I posted the other day and I didn't love it, so we're gonna try that again. Starting my morning with bulletproof coffee. Gotta start it with that. So I've already moisturized my face. I am going to use some primer. I use e.l.f. It's supposed to be like a color correcting primer. It is the green one. I always prep my eyeballs, my eyelids so I do moisturizer, primer, and then I also do concealer. I do the same concealer that I use on my face. This is, I believe, Maybelline, yeah, Master Conceal. I love it. My shade is Fair. Cool. Eyeballs are primed. Why do I keep saying eyeballs? I don't know. Eyelids. I also go over them with a little bit of powder, just to kind of mattify the lid so you can spread the powder. I do use, I believe this is Maybelline as well, the Fit Me. This is just their translucent. Just a little bit of powder there. Okay, so let's dive in. I am using for most of the colors, I think all the colors today, Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. It's got a great palette, I love it. I'm gonna start off with my orange color. And actually, if I remember correctly, this orange is kind of peachy, so I may go in with another orange, but I'm gonna start with this. Some people start with their lightest shade first and then go in darker and darker and layer it on. I do that sometimes, but today sometimes I also start with the darker one and then blend up. I learned that from Kristen Leanne, and I think she learned it from somebody else, I don't know, but I do and like doing that. I'm gonna go a little bit over, I'm gonna go over my crease and under my crease, and I'm just gonna get a nice wide line there. Yeah, so I am bringing it down in the corners. I'm gonna layer the yellow up on top of this now. So for the orange, I just use this one. For the yellow, I'm gonna go above my orange and blend the yellow to kind of blend out the line. When I do the blending, I usually go on top of the previous color, a little bit like kind of half and half on top of the previous color and on my, bare eyelid to kind of blend it out. I don't want to do it on top of the color because then it's not going to blend. You don't want to like connect them. I hope this makes sense. I am going to go back over the orange a bit with another palette just because this is a little peachy, which is fine, but this is Ultimate Face. I got it from Paul Mitchell. I'm just going to use this orange. And then I'm going to go in with my pink. I'm going to do a lighter pink first to kind of blend it, and then I'm going to do a darker pink, I think. We'll see. We'll see how it works. I'm going to do this the second to last color, and then I'm going to go over it with this top color, I believe. So I'm actually going to bring the orange in a little bit more here, and I'm going to make this darker, but I do like this pink. I'm going to go back in with my orange and bring it more in the corner. So I'm doing a little more of a patting motion, like tapping, versus just wiping it all over. Does get that pigment on there a little bit more. Okay, yeah, like that. Go back with my pink. I'm gonna go in with a darker pink. There, we've got that. It's not quite blended. I still need to go darker in the center, and then I'm gonna go back over with the orange again, just to blend it a bit. And I'm actually loving this. I'm tapping, sorry I didn't announce this before. I'm gonna tap some of that red along the lash, just to give a little more drama. Yes. I'm also doing my eyes before I do my face, because I'm really messy and I get a lot of fallout. Yep, I like that. For the blending, I'm gonna do that lighter orange on the BH palette, because I am just trying to blend the colors. I'm not really trying to overpower the pink. So that's basically the top. I am going to do the rest of my face and then finish up the bottom of my eyes. I do usually bring a color down at the bottom just to kind of connect it. And I'm going to do it with the face, and I will be back. Alright, so I've done my face. I'm going to finish up my eyes now. I did all my face, my foundation, concealer, bronzer, highlighter, all that. I'm going to go in with the powder and finish up the bottom lower lash and kind of touch up anywhere that my foundation might have hit. I can already see a little bit that I kind of got some foundation on my eyes right there, my eyeshadow. So I am just going to go in with that brush that I already had the orange on and just kind of fan out. So I just kind of fanned it out. Okay, under my eyes, I think I'm going to do pretty pink. I'm going to stick to the pink, actually. So I'm going to take the brush that I was using for the pink. I want to wipe it off a little bit. I do need, oh, scared the shit out of me. Okay, let's go on wiping off this anyway. I'm going to go in with a lighter pink and just go under my eye. And then with this smaller definer brush, I'm going to go in with a darker pink. I do wish I had a really tiny like fan brush, like a very small one, but I don't. So I'm going to go in with the first pink I used just to make it pretty light, just that pink over here. Okay, so I got the pink under there. Now with that smaller brush, I'm going to go in and do this dark pink and maybe a little bit of red. And I just decided I'm going to flick some red on the corner here and just out a little bit. Just because. Here we go. Now you can, I recommend if you're using pinks, if you're using reds, under your eyes, well really any color, I would either, I think it's called tightlining, waterline, tightline your waterline with either white or black eyeliner. If I do red, I definitely if I'm doing like a lighter look, I'll definitely do white on my waterline so that I don't look like I have pink eye, because it's not a great look. Today I'm going to go in with black. This is just an Ulta pencil. You can also do your top lash. I'm not doing that. I remember the first time I ever got that done, somebody was doing my makeup and she pulled up my eyelid to like waterline. I was like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, why are you in my eyeball? Freak me the fuck out. Alright. That's my eye. The last thing I'm going to do, mascara, eyebrows, and I also put a little bit of highlighter on the corner of my eyes. For that one I am going to use that NYX. It's a little bit pinky. Let me see, grab a brush. And actually, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of times I use my finger, which I might do in just a minute, but I'm gonna start just packing it in with a brush. There we go. Now mascara and eyebrows, and we're good. Good to go. For mascara, I'm using NYX Worth the Hype. It is not really waterproof. I don't think it claims to be. It's not at all waterproof. Like, at all. Which was a big problem for me this summer because I cried a lot. But now that I'm just doing more makeup, I really want my mascara to come off at the end of the day, so I'm a big fan. Also, don't put your mascara up and down like this. It actually pumps air into the tube, so when you push it in, swipe around, don't go up and down. Fun fact. Maybe everybody knows that already, but I learned that as a kid and I was like dumbfounded as a kid, like last year. Okay, here's the eyes again. I use BH Cosmetics for the eyeballs, also Ultimate Face. Yeah. Hope you guys like it. Hope it made sense. We'll see how editing goes.